and welcome so much to Beewiz. Thank you so much for tuning to Hope Channel. You didn't come late, you actually came perfect and on time. What a round of applause for you. Thank you so much. You're joining in Beewiz contest, and my name is Abby. Here is where intelligence meets confidence, and confidence gives you fast time to get to the right answer. I am not coming alone, for the contest is between two teams, Team A and Team B. On my right hand, I am joined by Team A. Kindly snap your fingers. Thank you. I am expecting some small smiles from you, because the win will give you bigger smiles. On my left, I am joined by Ranen. Can you snap your fingers? Thank you so much. Are you ready for the contest?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, I love that. So who do you think is going to win this?
Us.
Okay, the results, the speed will actually tell us. May you make sure that you find fun in every single question, in every single answer, and in every single speed. Now, these are our instructions of the contest. First question: if the question is practical, mathematics and chemistry, this question is going to take a time of 1 minute 30 seconds. And then if the question is theory oriented, the question is going to take 30 seconds. It's a matter of you being smart, sharp, and fast. If Team A gives the answer and it's wrong and the time is over, the opponent is going to get a time to answer, and if the answer is correct, that is 5 points. If the substitutes as well give an answer from both teams, the team that says it first correctly is going to give its team 5 points. Are the instructions clear?
Yes.
And are you ready for this?
Yes.
If you're ready, show me yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
I see this is going to get big and better. Question number 1 is heading to Team B. So we're going to interchange Team B and Team A. We've been doing A and B, but this time let us do vice versa and see who is going to win. Question number 1. 2 fair dice are rolled. What is the probability that the product of the numbers is greater than 20 and divisible by 4? Repeat or give you time to work. 2 fair dice are rolled. What is the probability that the product of the numbers is greater than 20 and divisible by 4? The countdown begins right now. Keep working. Ranen, I am giving you a few seconds since the time is actually ticking, and I can't wait to see the answer. If you have the answer already, you are allowed to say, even when the time is not yet over. Ooh, I can't wait for the answer. Ranen, I am waiting for your answer. The clock is ticking. We are at 40 seconds. Yes. Yes, please.
B.
What's B?
7 over 36.
7 over 36. Do you want to change your answer?
No.
There is always a chance. Kamagambo, what is your answer?
D.
D. What is the answer?
6 over 36.
6 over 36. Let me get to the subs. You have time to save your group. Ranen? Yes, please.
7 over 36.
7 over 36. What a teamwork. Let me go to Kamagambo.
5 over 36.
5 over 36. Interesting. I love how different answers we have. I don't know whether my answer is different, but my answer will tell you who got it right. And the answer is 7 over 36. B has actually begun with smiles. Ranen has 10 points. Question number 2. Question number 2. Solve for x. Solve for x. 2 power x plus 1. I hope you got that right. Plus 2 power x equals to 48. Solve for x. I'm giving you time. Are you ready, Kamagambo? Repeat. Solve for x. 2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power x equals to 48. The clock ticks right now. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Kamagambo. And I see today we said blue is the goal. So make sure blue is a winning color. Kamagambo, you have 1 minute, 10 seconds remaining. Yes. How fast are you? Anyway, this is the beauty of the contest. I see the opponents to Kamagambo are actually done and they feel like we want to answer. Okay, let me see Kamagambo. Kamagambo, you have 46 seconds remaining. I am waiting. Solve for x. Find x. You have 33 seconds remaining. Kamagambo, we are waiting for you. The beauty of this is the speed and the excellence and the curiosity for success. So we have 17 seconds remaining, Kamagambo. I can see your substitutes as well are working. Funny enough, Ranen is done. And Ranen is like, we want to answer. Time is almost over. Time. Yes?
X equals to 4.
X equals to 4. Do you want to change?
No.
You had an answer? What's the answer? Substitutes to Ranen. To Kamagambo. Yes?
X is equals to 4.
4. Yes, Ranen substitutes. What's your answer?
X equals to 5. 4.
Wow, there is a conflict in there. So make a decision.
X equals to 4.
To 4. I think your teachers are just the same. I am worried about my teacher because Zeraki gave me the right answer to be 4. Interesting. So, Kamagambo, you have your 10 points. Congratulations. I'm taking the next question to Ranen. Thank you, Team A. Team B. The nth term of a sequence is given by t base n equals to 3 power n minus 1. What is the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence? Repeat or you okay? The 9th term of a sequence is given by t base n equals to 3 power n minus 1. What is the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence? The countdown begins right now. The clock is ticking. Do you need multiples? Really? Someone said no, somebody say yes. Keep on working. If we get to a few seconds to time, pray hard that the mercy would visit you today. The clock is ticking. We are at 50 seconds and it's ticking. I can't wait to get the answer from you. Ranen, Ranen. And then we have Kamagambo, they're still working. I love the teamwork. I love the thoughts. I love the teamwork. I love the thoughts. We have the subs. I love the teamwork. I love the thoughts. The clock is ticking. Yes?
20.
20. I am appreciating you for confidence. A round of applause. Just for confidence. Let me hear from Kamagambo. Yes?
20.
20. Ranen? Okay, Ranen? Do you have an answer?
20.
20. And Kamagambo, subs? Yes, please. I think we had time to make a decision. Yes?
20.
20. This is nice that you made it a common answer, but now allow me to give you a different answer. The answer is 116. That gives 0 to Ranen, but we have time to make it the best. Question 2, Kamagambo. Solve the inequality. 2x minus 1 over x plus 3 is greater than 1. 2x minus 1 over x plus 3 is greater than 1. Can you solve for me that equation? The clock is ticking. Kamagambo, your time starts right now. Ooh, that fast. Okay, tell me, what's the answer?
X equals to 4.
X equals to 4.
It's greater than 4.
X is... So make a decision.
Yeah, x is
Greater
greater
than
than
4.
4.
X is greater than 4. X is greater than 4. Yes? Ranen, do you have a different answer?
1.
Okay. Let me get the subs. Do you have a different answer? The same. You? Okay. The answer is X is greater than 4. That is 10 points plus. Congratulations, Kamagambo. I love that. Now, let me take you to another question. Take a deep breath. There is hope beyond mathematics. A student plotted a temperature time graph while heating a pure substance. The graph showed 2 plateaus. Which inference is most accurate? Repeat, I'll give you time. A student plotted a temperature time graph while heating a pure substance. The graph showed 2 plateaus. Which inference is most accurate? The time begins right now. 30 seconds. If you need multiples, they are within the 30 seconds. Okay. Number 1, remember the clock is ticking. A, the substance sublimated at 2 temperatures. The plateaus indicated decomposition points. The plateaus represented melting and boiling points. The substance changed color during heating. Yes? C, are you sure? You want to defend? Yes, go ahead.
To determine which one, to which of the plateaus was the pure substance in.
Interesting. You got the 10 points. Congratulations. I see the breath you actually took. You thought you lost it. You have this. Now to Kamagambo Adventist School. Question to you. In an experiment to determine the empirical formula of hydrocarbon, a student burned 1.4 gram of the sample and obtained 4.4 gram of carbon oxide and 1.8 gram of water. What is the empirical formula? Ambiwa repeats. Okay. Let me give you one more time. In experiment to determine the empirical formula of hydrocarbon, a student burnt 1.4 gram of the sample and obtained 4.4 gram of carbon oxide and 1.8 gram of water. What is the empirical formula? Your countdown begins right now. It's ticking. It's ticking. Kamagambo, I can't wait to get the answers. Should I give you multiples or you are working it by yourself?
Multiples.
A, CH. Now you'll have to figure out now. B, CH base 2, C. I feel like this is going to give you the answer. You have to work on this. I feel this is going, if I tell you the right name, this will be the answer for you. So let me hold on. The clock is ticking. We are, yes?
CH2.
CH2. Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you want to change?
No.
You actually have a few seconds. Are you sure? Because this is going to save you big time.
No. We are
You're
sure.
sure?
Yeah.
Whether it comes correct or wrong, not changing.
Yeah.
Promise me you'll not regret.
Yes.
Promise me.
Yes.
Promise me the last time.
Yes.
Do you want to change the answer? Subs, Kamagambo, do you want to change the answer? And Ranen? The time is over. You promised not to change and not to regret? Now, get ready for the results. The answer is correct! Sorry for the tension, but that keeps you sticked on. Thank you so much, those who are watching from home. Remember, this is Beewiz, and the challenges are prepared by one and only Zaraki. Now, to my other team, Team B. Hi. Are you still here? Are you still winning?
Yes.
Okay. A student set up an electrolysis experiment using inert electrodes in concentrated sodium chloride solution. Which gases are formed at the electrodes? Repeat, give you multiples or give you the countdown. Oh, the countdown could be starting. A student set up an electrolysis experiment using inert electrodes in concentrated sodium chloride solution. Which gases are formed at the electrodes? The countdown is 30 seconds. We are at 24 seconds. Yes, please. What does it say?
Sodium at the cathode, chlorine at anode.
Okay. Do you want to change?
No.
You're not going to regret.
Yes.
I love that. Kamagambo. It's the same. Subs from Ranen. The same. The same. That's the music. But with me, it's not the same. The answer is hydrogen at cathode, chlorine at anode. So no one has actually gotten the answer correct. Okay. Now, let me take you to the next question. Ranen, are we still here to win? Are you still confident? Thank you so much. I'm giving the next question to Kamagambo. Listen carefully. The graph, Kamagambo. Yes. Are you keeping quiet for the content to remain intact? Now listen to the question. The graph below shows enzyme activity versus temperature. The curve rises, peaks, and then sharply drops. I hope you're drawing. Thank you. Which conclusion is not valid. Conclusion number 1. Enzyme activity increases with temperature up to an optimum. B, the sharp drop is due to enzyme denaturation. C, low temperature destroys the enzyme irreversibly. D, beyond optimum enzymes lose shape and activity. And the countdown should be beginning. Wow. Yes, Kamagambo?
Low temperature destroys the enzyme irreversibly.
Do you want to defend?
Yeah.
There's no, there's yeah. Yes! What's your name again?
My name is Victor.
Victor. You're of course winning and you're a victor. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A neurosurgeon.
Hey! Now defend!
Looking at enzyme activity, low temperatures do not destroy enzymes,
Yes.
but instead low temperatures inactivate enzymes.
Oh. You're sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't want to change?
You don't want to change.
No matter what?
Yes.
Ranen, do you have a different answer for this?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Enzyme activity increase with temperature up to an optimum.
That is answer A.
Yes.
Interesting. I love how this is going. Let me throw this question to our subs. Are you thinking to change? Ooh. Kamagambo, tell me, subs, anyone with a different answer? The answer is the same because the teacher is the same. Let me go to Ranen and know whether the teacher is the same or something changed while you're coming. Yes, Ranen?
The answer is C.
The answer is C. Why? Do you feel like you want to defend? Please go ahead.
Because low temperatures just inactivate, not destroy enzymes.
Oh, they just slow the action.
Yeah.
Interesting. So Ranen has A, subs have C. That's biology, right? So maybe you're in different streams. I am giving you the correct answer. You promised not to change, right? I love the confidence because that is actually matching my answer. And that's actually 10 points. Kamagambo, your confidence is the first key to excellence. Now, before I throw my question to Team B, how is the experience so far, Ranen? How do you feel? Do you still need more chances?
Yes.
How many chances do you feel like you can change the story? Or you're okay with the story? 3 chances. And Kamagambo, do you feel like you want to change the story?
I want to continue with the story.
You want to continue the spirit. Let me invite our judges and know what is your opinion so far. How do you feel? Thank you. Please tell us your name and tell us your experience and your opinion as well.
My name is Job Onyango.
Yes, Job.
So far, so good. Both teams are great.
Yes.
Keep it up.
They keep it up.
Yeah.
I feel like I want to ask you, so far, who do you see is winning? Or should we give them a last chance to give us a different game changer?
Let them keep trying.
Yes?
But I think Team A.
You're being biased. Let me throw the question to a different judge. Let me get a different opinion from a different judge. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ogwari.
Yes, Ogwari.
I think the teams are really doing so well.
Yes.
And the competition is still wide open.
Yes.
And any team can win.
Any team can win.
So long as you put your house in order.
You heard
You
that?
can still win.
Put your house in. Ranen, put your house in. Oh, you are putting the house in order. I see. Let me ask another judge. We have 3 judges, and I want to appreciate your presence. Kindly tell us, what's your opinion, your name, and what you think who's winning?
I'm Dickens.
Yes.
Both teams are so far doing well. And any team can win.
Ooh,
And given another chance, they can still do better.
interesting. The ball is on your court. And I said I am starting with Ranen. Remember, we are almost getting our results. So get ready. This is just your one chance before we go for our first break. Listen carefully. An object of mass 2 kg is attached to a spring and oscillates with frequency 5 Hz. If the spring constant is increased while keeping the mass constant, what happens to the frequency? Multiple 1. It decreases. B. It remains the same. C. It increases. D. It becomes 0. Ranen, your countdown should be beginning. Let's see. An object of mass 2 kg is attached to a spring and oscillates with frequency of 5 Hz. If the spring constant is increased while keeping the mass constant, what happens to the frequency? A. It decreases. B. It remains the same. C. It increases. D. It becomes 0. I am waiting for the answer. You actually have 45 seconds. I can't wait to get the answer. Can't wait to get the answer. The time is moving. You have a few seconds to sort this. Yes. Yes. What does this? Yes, you got the answer?
It increases.
It increases. That adds 10 points to your tally. Ranen gets 10 points. Yes, the correct answer is it increases. Your last bullet, Kamagambo, is this. In a chemistry lab, a student accidentally adds barium nitrate solution to a test tube already containing dilute sulfuric acid. What is the correct observation and explanation? Should I give you multiples?
Repeat.
In a chemistry lab, a student accidentally adds barium nitrate solution to a test tube already containing dilute sulfuric acid. What is the correct observation and explanation? The time is ticking right now, and the results are being prepared. This is your last bullet. Yes?
A white precipitate forms due to formation of barium sulfate. Choice B.
Barium sulfate. Are you sure?
Yes.
Interesting. Did you do the calculation or you know it offered? That gives you a 10 plus. Hey, congratulations, Kamagambo Adventist School. The start or the beginning is not the true identifier of you, but the true identifier of you is the end. Therefore, you have a more opportunity, a better chance to do it better and better, to renew, to redeem yourself, and hit to the excellence mark of point. For now, dear viewer, allow us to take our first break. I can't wait to see you in the next part. Stay tuned because much is packed for you. This is Beewiz Hope Channel, and my name is Abby Wambua. much, and thank you so much for staying by and waiting for Beewiz. This is getting interesting, and let me tell you something. It's about thinking fast. It's about saving time. Welcome so much. I am Abi Wambua, and this is Beewiz. I have two teams, Team A and Team B. Just to remind you, they're still the same people. And on my right hand, I have Team A, Kamagambo Adventist School. This time, you're going to give you a round of applause. Thank you so much. And then on my far left, I am joined by Ranen Adventist School. This time as well, you're giving yourself a round of applause. Thank you. You're doing this because we know we are going to be the winner. Either you or that, you could actually tally and tie and be the best together. Or change the story. You could be the winning team. You could also be the winning team. So join us. Remember, the instruction are just simply one question. If it's practical, you're going to get 1 minute and 30 seconds to work. Secondly, if a question is theory oriented, you're going to get 30 seconds to work on. Are you ready? Yes. If you're ready, please give me snaps. Thank you so much. So, we left it at Kamagambo. I am starting with my team number 1, Team B. Ranen, where are the smiles? Okay. Yeah, so we are going to do this. It's getting interesting. Question number 1. The Berlin Conference carved out territories without regard to ethnic divisions. Which of the following effects is still most evident today? Repeat or give you multiples. Repeat. The Berlin Conference carved out territories without regard to ethnic divisions. Which of the following effects is still most evident today? Your countdown begins right now. Should I give you multiples as well? You okay? Okay. The countdown begins. Oh, you got the answer?
Yes.
Okay, what have you decided?
Persistent border conflicts.
Persistent border conflicts. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Do you want to defend?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead. You have the time.
You get that during Berlin Conference,
Yes.
the European nations which had spheres of influence on Africa
Yes.
were to draw a map on the sphere of influence to cover, and they wished to offer, and they were required to offer immediate occupation. So they drew boundaries which separated the spheres of influence they covered. Hence, those other spheres, like Kenya and Uganda, they're still struggling with the boundary of even the island of Migingo.
Yes.
Yes.
Good example. Continue.
Can't leave that point.
You can leave at that point. I love that example. But let me hear what Kamagambo has. Could be a different correct answer. Kamagambo,
The same, C.
you don't want to choose high literacy rates, decline in traditional crafts, Ranen subs. Yes, please.
C.
C, persistent border conflicts. Kamagambo, you still learn from the same history teacher?
Yeah, the answer is C.
Okay, I think my teacher as well should be giving the answer that says persistent borders conflict. That was actually a major one. Congratulations, Ranen. We've begun on the right pace with 10 points. Thank you. Now, the question is going to Kamagambo Adventist. Which of the following scenarios would most likely lead to a climatic inversion? I'm repeating. Which of the following scenarios would most likely lead to a climatic inversion? Multiples. Heavy afternoon thunderstorms. B, a warm air mass sliding under a cold one. C, rapid night cooling after a clear day. D, a valley receiving low-angle sunlight. The countdown begins right now. You already have an answer.
Yes.
You don't want to cook it a little bit longer? Counter check one more time. Okay, give me the answer.
Choice B.
Yes.
A warm air mass sliding under a cold one.
Do you want to defend? Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you want to defend? You have the time. Kindly do. You still have some few seconds.
The reason why I say that it is choice B is because
Yes.
when a warm air slide over a cold one, there is change in temperature. Therefore, the temperature will be cool, and therefore we say it is the most likely to lead the climatic inversion, climatic change.
Interesting. You had the time. Let me ask. Ranen, do you have a different answer?
Yes.
Yes, please go ahead.
D.
D. What does it say? And kindly, if you have time, you actually have a few minutes, a few seconds, to explain. Go ahead.
A valley receiving low-angle sunlight.
I love the discussion brought something. Do you want to defend? Okay, let me ask Kamagambo substitutes. Give us an answer. Is it the same? If it's the same, it's okay. Is it the same?
Yes, it's the same.
Interesting. I said teamwork is the goal, and we aim to build and aspire to be the lead. Ranen, do you have a different answer?
Yes.
Yes, please, go ahead.
Heavy afternoon thunderstorms.
Every afternoon thunderstorm. For once you didn't twin here. You don't want it to change. You said that was the answer. You're quick to answer. And the answer is rapid night cooling after a clear day. Therefore, none of the teams have had an opportunity to get a score. Take a breath, and now you still have more chances to win. Now, let me take it to Ranen. Ranen, are we still there?
Yes.
Are we still winning?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So, listen. The Maasai resisted colonial settlement through passive resistance. What does this say about the form of resistance chosen? You need multiples?
Yes.
Okay. A, it was ineffective due to lack of violence. B, it depends on diplomacy rather than cohesion. It was shaped by pastoral mobility and environmental mastery. D, it shows the Maasai were politically divided. The countdown begins right now. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, the clock is ticking. Ranen Adventist, this is your time to shine. This is your time to shine. It's about courage. It's about thinking quickly. It's about celebrating the curiosity we're having to know who's the winner. 8 seconds. Yes, please.
It shows the Maasai were politically divided.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Your time is over, but you answered. Do you want to change?
No.
Stick there, right?
Yes.
Let me get from Kamagambo. Do you have a different answer, Kamagambo?
It depended on diplomacy rather than cohesion.
Interesting. Let me throw it to subs from Ranen Adventist School. Do you have a different answer? If the same, say same.
Same.
Same. Kamagambo.
Same.
Same. Ranen, one more time. Which answer did you say? D. It shows the Maasais were politically divided. And Kamagambo, which answer did you say?
B.
B. But the correct answer is it was shaped by pastoral mobility and environmental mastery. Okay, take a deep breath. We still have a few chances to get here. Let me give you a little explanation why C is correct. The Maasai avoided confrontation, choosing to move, negotiate, and delay, using their control over grazing lands as a leverage. We try it next time. So I'm taking this to Kamagambo. The next question. A village experiences flash floods during heavy rainfall despite being far from rivers. Which factor is most likely responsible? I give you multiples. Kamagambo?
Yes.
A. Gentle slope with clay soils. B. Steep slope with compacted soils. C. Evapotranspiration excess. D. Poor vegetation due to grazing. Remember, your time has begun. It's 30 seconds for this is theory. Yes, Kamagambo, time is ticking. Kamagambo, the clock is ticking. We have 10 seconds remaining. A. That says gentle slope with clayey soils. Ranen, do you have a different answer? Ranen? Yes, please. Do you have a different answer? No, the same. Kamagambo substitutes. Do you have a different answer? Remember, time is going to save you. Clarity will give you more points. Yes, please.
Steep slope with compacted soils.
Steep slope with compacted soils. Ranen substitutes. Do you have a different answer?
Yes.
Which is?
Evapotranspiration excess.
The question was for Kamagambo, but this time, those who are going to get the point is Kamagambo. Substitutes got you saved with 5 points. A round of applause. I love how saved you are. Finally, Victor found a reason to smile. Okay, I'm taking you to the other question, and this is going to Ranen. Ranen, listen carefully. We're still going forward. Are you ready? Yes. When feature best explains the existence of dry valleys and waterless channels in arid zones. Repeat or give you multiples. Which feature best explains the existence of dry valleys and waterless channels in arid zones? I'm going to extend the mercy and give you multiples. Ancient tectonic shifts, seasonal groundwater fluctuations, evidence of past wetter climates, wind action causing slit deposits. The countdown begins right now. The clock is ticking. Ranen, remember, we are counting on you. And once we are done, you'll be getting your results. We are at 15 seconds remaining. Ranen? Yes, please. B. Thank you. Kamagambo, a different answer? Kamagambo, time. All right, let me take it to Ranen. Substitutes. A different answer, Ranen?
C.
C. Evidence of past wetter climates? That's your answer?
Yes.
Kamagambo. Substitutes. Do you have a different answer? Which one? You actually have a second to answer.
Wind action causing silt deposits.
Wind action causing slit deposits. Do you feel like you want to explain? Okay, I'll give you an explanation. But the answer, who was answering? The first one to answer? It was Ranen. The answer is evidence of past wetter climates. So you get 5 points, Ranen, because your substitutes saved you. This is because dry valleys like Shelby or Sahara show that rivers once flowed. They are paleochannels, relics of previous humid eras. Now, to Kamagambo, get ready. Why did the Ganda Kingdom integrate conquered communities more effectively than the Shona or Ndebele? Why did the Ganda Kingdom integrate conquered communities more effectively than the Shona or Ndebele? Multiples you need? Yes. A, it allowed conquered people full military status. B, it had rotational kingship among clans. C, it adopted a federated governance system. D, it imposed a centralized administrative structure with tribute. Your countdown begins right now. Yes, we are at 23 seconds. The Bele, the Shona, the Ganda, the Kingdom, all that. Think through. Give me an answer. Time is ticking. Yes, please. Yes, Victor?
D.
D. It imposed a what?
It imposed a centralized administrative structure with tribute.
Thank you so much. Do you feel this is the right answer?
Yes.
Are you sure if I give you a different one, you're not going to regret?
Yes.
Ranen, let me extend the mercy. D. Subs from Kamagambo? C. Sam? Ranen? Ranen?
Same.
Thank you so much. The answer is it imposed a centralized administrative structure with tribute. That was a clean one. Let me take this now to Ranen. Listen carefully. In the sentence, he could hardly scarcely believe what he saw. I hope you heard that. Let me repeat one last time. In the sentence, he could hardly scarcely believe what he saw. What grammatical error is committed? Our multiples: A, misplaced adverb; B, tautology, redundancy; faulty parallelism, improper conjunction. You already have the answer before the countdown? Do you want to cook one more time the answer? Or are you okay? Give us the countdown kindly. You okay? You want to answer? Give me the answer.
Improper conjunction.
Are you sure? Okay, you said it. One answer, one time. Kamagambo? Yes.
B.
B, tautology. Subs?
B.
B, tautology. Kamagambo, which answer?
Tautology.
Tautology. Defend your answer in a minute, in a second.
Now, you could hardly scarcely. Hardly and scarcely are subordinating conjunctions.
Yes, continue.
Are all conjunctions that and therefore cannot be used at the same time. Only one can be used.
Interesting. Let me give you an explanation before I give you the correct answer. Hardly and scarcely mean the same thing, using both redundant, a classical advanced editing error. Therefore, the correct answer is tautology. It's like you depended on those 5 points. Okay, now the answer is tautology. Now we move to Kamagambo. Thank you so much. Which of the following sentences contain an embedded clause acting as the object of the main verb? Yes? I repeat the question?
Yes.
Which of the following sentences contain an embedded clause acting as the object of the main verb? Multiples: A, he denied that he had ever met her. B, that he lied shocked everyone. He is the man who won the award. The boy was crying loudly in the hall. The time starts right now, Kamagambo. 30 seconds are rolling. Remember, our talent team is working behind the screens to give you amazing results, honest results to be specific. Kamagambo, we are waiting on you. You scored the first 5, now give us a 10. Time is ticking, yes?
The answer is C.
C, what does it say?
He's the man who won the award.
Is the man who won the award. Your time is over and thank you for answering. Ranen, we gave you 30 seconds the same time. So you have a second to save yourself. B. Okay, let me ask the sub from Kamagambo. Do you have a different answer?
The answer is C.
C. Thank you. For once you didn't match. Ranen?
B.
B. What did you say at first? C. I am giving you the correct answer. The answer is A. He denied that he had ever met her. So no one gets a point. Now, tunabadilisha lugha ya mawasiliano na kuingia katika lugha ya Kiswahili. Ranen ndio mtakaoanza. Mkumbuke ya kwamba lugha ni ya Kiswahili. Swali la kwanza. Ranen, tupo sawa? Tupo tayari? Katika kazi ya fasihi andishi, kauli aliwahi kuwa kivuli katika harakati zote inaonyesha matumizi ya mbinu gani ya kisanaa na ujumbe upi? Nirudie ama mtajibu? Katika kazi ya fasihi andishi, kauli aliwahi kuwa kivuli katika harakati zote inaonyesha matumizi ya mbinu gani ya kisanaa na ujumbe upi? Dakika zenu, sekunde zenu zahesabika kuanzia sasa. Majibu tunayo ni mane: taswira, chuku, tanakali, istilahi. Sekunde zahesabika. Sekunde zinazidi kuhesabika. Tuna taswira, anaonekana kimwili tu. Kuna chuku, alikuwa hana mwili. Tanakali, ana sauti ya kuvutia. Istilahi, alihusika kwa njia isiyoonekana. Yes, just say. D. Istilahi. Kwa sababu gani?
Alihusika kwa njia isiyoonekana.
Una uhakika?
Naam.
Kabisa?
Naam.
Hutaki kubadilisha?
Naam.
Haya basi, hiyo ndiyo iliyokuwa fursa yenu ya mwisho kujizoelea alama. Kamagambo, mnajibu nyingine?
Taswira.
Taswira. Sabu wa Ranen? Sekunde yenu imekamilika. Kamagambo? Sekunde yenu imekamilika. Mmesema jibu ni da. Awamu yenu ya mwisho ya kujizolea alama. Na kufikia sasa wanayezidi kuhesabu ni kwamba Ranen imeweza kujiongezea alama 10. Ya mwisho kwa sasa tunawapa wanafunzi wa Kamagambo. Swali lenu ni hili: tungo ipi ina matumizi ya viambishi tegemezi vya wakati, nafsi na hali kwa usahihi wa hali ya masharti? Nitarudia. Tungo ipi ina matumizi ya viambishi tegemezi vya wakati, nafsi na hali kwa usahihi wa hali ya masharti? Sekunde zenu zaanza kuhesabika kwa sasa. Majibu ambayo tunayo, tuna A. Ningewasaidia lau mngekuwa mmeniuliza. B. Kama wangepika tungekuwa tumekula. Cha. Tungecheza leo iwapo watakuja. Da. Ukiwafikia ungewapa zawadi. Sekunde zenu zazidi kuhesabika. Sekunde zimesalia sekunde 9. Wanafunzi wa Kamagambo Adventist School, tupe nafasi ya kujibu. Nam Victor?
B.
D. Ba. Wakati wenu umekamilika. Je, mnajibu Ranen? Sekunde yenu moja inazidi kutamatika. Sekunde yenu imeisha. Kamagambo? Ba. Ranen substitute?
Cha. Jibu
sahihi ambayo itawapa pointi zingine ni ningewasaidia lao mngekuwa mmeniuliza, na hiyo ni jawabu ya A. Kwa hivyo hamjapata alama yoyote. Kufikia sasa tumeweza kufikia mwisho wa maswali haya. Nasubiria kupata majibu kutoka the Tallying team. Thank you so much for coming here was a big win. Hello, Ranen. Hello. Are you still here? Yes. Thank you so much. That was a big step to excellence. May God bless you. Kamagambo? Kamagambo, how are you?
We are fine.
Who do you think is still winning? Yes. You're still winning? Yes. Thank you so much. I am giving you the points. The first one had 70 points and the second one had 55 points. I am about to tell you who the winner is. But before that, I want to say a statement that today has not just been about getting the answers right. It's been about courage. It's been about thinking quickly and celebrating the beauty of learning together. Ranen and Kamagambo, that was beautiful. Whether you're here to support, whether you're here to give an answer, that's a big blessing. Thank you. Your presence made this contest highly beautiful. Kamagambo and Ranen, give yourself a round of applause for coming. Now, to the marks that I am about to say. Remember, the leading had 70, the least had 55. Kamagambo is leading with 70 points. And Ranen is following with 55. There's always another chance to be better and to be the best. And this brings us to the close of Beewiz. Thank you so much for tuning to Hope Channel. God bless you. We can't wait to meet you in the next episode. Same day, same time. My name is Abby Wambua. We had Ranen. Kindly say bye. Bye. Thank you so much. And we had Kamagambo. Kindly say bye. Bye. Thank you.